2018 Toyota Prius review. Fuel economy, practicality and comfort keep making the Prius a standout compact hybrid. If you desire pure efficiency and eco-friendly driving without the headache of plugging with your car, the 2018 Toyota Prius remains towards the top of the heap. Pretty much literally a plug-in hybrid will return better real-world results. We've stood at 2016 Prius within our long-term test car fleet, and after more than a year we averaged about 50 miles per gallon, despite having thousands of miles spent in brutal Los Angeles traffic. We also appreciate the Prius' practicality and comfort, which consists of generous cargo area and smooth ride quality. Of course, the Prius compromises on acceleration and handling, proving less rewarding drive an automobile than many traditionally powered vehicles. There's also the question of Toyota's infotainment system, which lacks some functionality, and also the car's questionable styling. If paying for just a hybrid, are aware that there's more competition than ever before. The Hyundai Ioniq hybrid actually claims slightly higher EPA-rated fuel economy compared to Prius and supplies a longer warranty. It certainly incorporates a more functional interior with better technology, too. However, the Ioniq is even less satisfying they are driving than the Prius, and it is a less comfortable destination to spend time. There's also the Kia Niro hybrid, which includes the look of an SUV, as well as a slew of mid-size hybrid sedans to take into consideration. Still, you will find there's reason the Prius remains to be the king on the hybrid cars. If you put reduced on efficiency and value, you may not be disappointed because of the Prius. What's new? The Prius carries over into 2018 without any significant changes. Buyers thinking of getting the most bang because of their buck should investigate Prius 2, which adds a rear windshield wiper along with a few extra conveniences. Toyota is usually including the Safety Plus package, with increased active safety equipment, for instance blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, like a no-cost add-on. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Toyota Prius is really a four-door hatchback that seats 5 passengers. It's available in 7 trim levels: 1, 2, 2 Eco, 3, 3 Touring, 4 and 4 Touring. The compact Prius C and plug-in Prius Prime are not the same models covered in separate reviews. Power for everyone Prius trims comes from a 1.8-litre 4-cylinder engine and also a pair of electric motors generators. Their combined 121 horsepower is shipped through a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT on the front wheels. The Prius 1 and 2 are similarly equipped, with all the one missing a number of minor features, for instance a rear window wiper. Otherwise, standard feature highlights for both include 15-inch wheels, automatic LED headlights, LED running lights and taillights, heated mirrors, keyless entry driver door only and ignition, automatic climate control, dual 4.2-inch driver information screens, adaptive cruise control, a tilt and telescoping leader, cloth upholstery, a height-adjustable driver seat, along with a 6040 split folding rear seat. Also standard is often a 6.1-inch touchscreen display, a rear-view camera, Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity, voice recognition with Siri Eyes-Free, and also a 6-speaker sound system with a USB port, an auxiliary audio jack and also a CD player. Standard precautionary features include automatic high beams, a rear-view camera, forward collision warning, forward collision mitigation with automatic braking, and lane departure warning and intervention. The Prius 2 also currently comes with all the Safety Plus package like a no-cost add-on, such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, parking sensors and automated parking assist. The more cost-effective Prius 2 Eco comes with ultra-low rolling resistance tires, a lighter lithium-ion hybrid battery, an inflation kit rather than spare tire, and illuminated keyless entry. The rear wiper that comes standard for the two trims is just not offered, nor could be the Safety Plus package. It returns an amazing 56 miles per gallon combined 58 city 53 highway. Inside the Prius 3, there are simulated leather on the tire and armrests, white interior accents, an invisible phone charging pad, as well as the Toyota Entune premium infotainment system having a 7-inch touch screen, navigation, satellite radio, HD radio, and having access to apps, for instance Pandora, iHeartRadio, OpenTable and Yelp when paired, which has a smartphone running the Entune app. The Prius 4 is included with automatic wipers, simulated leather upholstery with contrasting white stitching, heated front seats, an electric driver's seat with adjustable lumbar, seatback storage pockets, as well as a rear cargo cover. Standard equipment about the 3 Touring or 4 Touring includes sets from the corresponding 3 or 4, plus 17-inch alloy wheels, fog lights, LED clearance lights, unique rear bumper styling, and imitation leather upholstery with contrasting blue stitching. Note which the aforementioned Safety Plus package can be a no-cost add-on for your 3 and 4. The Prius 3 and 4, although not the touring versions, will also be upgraded with all the advanced technology package, which consists of a sunroof along with a head-up display. Finally, the Prius 4 and 4 Touring may be equipped with all the premium convenience package, such as a 10-speaker JBL speakers, a self-parking system and Safety Connect emergency services. The Safety Connect system that is usually added to Prius 4 and 4 Touring is subscription-based, which has a 1-year trial offer and includes automatic collision notification, stolen vehicle locator, and a net-touch use of roadside and emergency assistance. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically can be purchased in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S within this review derived from our full test from the 2016 Toyota Prius 3 hatchback 1.8 litres inline-4 hybrid, CVT automatic, FWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the existing Prius has brought some revisions, including modifications to trim-level features and expanded use of active safety measures. Our findings remain broadly applicable to this particular year's Toyota Prius. Driving. Fuel efficiency may be the name in the game using the Prius, and also the raw performance numbers reflect this. On its own, though, the Prius is often a competent and efficient hatchback with solid handling along with an easy-to-drive nature. Acceleration. Acceleration is adequate. A 9.8-second 060 miles per hour time is near to the bottom in the segment. The Prius has enough zip over line to feel lively out partying. Braking. In our emergency braking test, the Prius posted average stopping performance. Except at crawling speeds, pedal feel is smooth and linear without any from the awkwardness and indication of many hybrid systems. Steering. The steering is direct, although it doesn't provide much feedback from your road. The method is well weighted, and little effort is necessary to point the Prius from the intended direction without catching grooves or seams. Handling. The Prius feels responsive and reasonably agile about the street. Body roll is present as well as the tires fight for grip, nevertheless the car never feels unwieldy or dangerous. The Prius remains composed over mid-corner bumps and dips. Drivability. The transition from F to hybrid mode is unobtrusive, the engine sounds harsh when firing up. Acceleration is smooth. The cruise control holds speed while going both up and downhill. Comfort. The Prius is comfortable and quiet at partying, particularly F mode. The seats are S-Class leading, however they are comfortable plus a step up from your previous model. It's just the buzzy engine that drags along the Prius comfort and ease. Seat comfort. The seat supplies a lot of vertical adjustment, but there is no lumbar adjustment. The seat cushion remains comfortable after long drives. The moderate side bolstering supports without squeezing. Ride comfort. The Prius is smooth and composed for the street. Rebound over bumps is minimal, and also the car never feels too bouncy or too stiff. Broken or uneven pavement doesn't upset the automobile or lead to a harsh ride quality. Noise and vibration. Extremely quiet in F mode, however the engine supplies a noticeable hum that is exacerbated in the event the transmission keeps the engine's RPM high. Wind noise is moderate but not overly booming. Interior. The interior from the Prius is, unsurprisingly, both practical and spacious. The cargo area is roomy, along with the large windows allowing a lot of light. The center-mounted gauge cluster and shifter design are odd. Is useful. The touchscreen is user-friendly and intensely responsive, but other functions are controlled by touch capacitive icons and never real buttons. Most controls are quite obvious and well placed, even so the odd shifter design and center-mounted gauges provide no tangible benefit. Getting in, jetting out. The Prius is painless to get in and from. The doors open wide, allowing easy access towards the front. Rear seat access can be good but is hampered slightly through the sloping roofline. Roominess. There's generous front head, legroom and shoulder room. Rear seating can also be very good. Visibility. Forward visibility is fantastic, with large windows as well as a low dash providing a fantastic view. Rear visibility is okay, however the split inside the glass cuts through the sightline. Over-the-shoulder visibility is merely slightly hindered by the sloping roof. Quality. The Prius feels solidly built, and overall it uses nice materials through the cabin. The very plasticky white trim about the center console of certain models will likely prove polarizing for many buyers. Utility. The Prius gives a large cargo area, 24.6 cubic feet, with folding rear seats with regard to added space. The cabin contains an abundance of places to stash small items, and latch anchor access to the rear outboard seats is great. Technology. The touchscreen infotainment method is straightforward, make use of but lacks Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Apps along with cell phone integration features require installing Toyota's Intune app, which can be clunky and will prove some active security measures as standard.